Oh my goodness, look at you. You're just a handsome guy. Hello, and friendly and sweet. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Here, you want one? No. Just want to be held and doesn't even want to have any treats. Look at those beautiful sunglasses you got on your face. Very, very pretty. Hi. Hello. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you're here. We'll try to get you out of here so you can go and have a good time somewhere else, okay? Yes, you're very, very nice. He was a stray, right? Can I see your teeth? Can I? Oh, it's okay. So, maybe about 4. Yeah, not very well taken care of teeth. It's okay. You want to come and say hello some more? Yes. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Hello, beautiful boy. Hello, beautiful and sad boy. Hi. It's okay. Alright, well, let's take some good pictures of you, okay? Let's take some good pictures. Let's take some good pictures so we can send them out so people can see how pretty you are and how special. Yes. Very, very special guy.